Research methodology. It might sound intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. Think of it like a roadmap. When you're planning a trip, you need directions to get you there. Research methodology is the same idea, but for your research project. It's the step-by-step plan that guides you from your initial question to your final conclusion. This roadmap isn't just about the what of your research, it's about the how. It outlines the methods you'll use to collect your data, how you'll analyze it, and ultimately, how you'll answer your research question. Why is a sound research methodology so crucial? Imagine building a house on a shaky foundation. It's likely to crumble. Similarly, research without a robust methodology is likely to produce unreliable results. A well-defined methodology ensures that your research is systematic, logical, and rigorous. It adds credibility and validity to your findings, making them more likely to be accepted by the scientific community and the public. Qualitative research is all about understanding the why behind the what. It explores complex social phenomena through in-depth analysis of experiences, perspectives, and meanings. Think of it as delving into the rich tapestry of human behavior and understanding the nuances of individual stories. This type of research often involves methods like interviews, focus groups, and observations. For instance, a researcher studying the impact of social media on teenagers might conduct in-depth interviews with a diverse group of teens to understand their experiences, motivations, and concerns. Section 4. Measuring up with quantitative research. While qualitative research dives into the depths of experiences and personal stories, quantitative research focuses on what can be measured and counted, providing a more objective view. It aims to establish patterns, relationships, and trends by collecting and analyzing numerical data, often through large-scale studies. This approach allows researchers to test hypotheses and draw generalizable conclusions that can be applied to larger populations. Surveys, experiments, and statistical analysis are common methods used in quantitative research, each providing valuable insights. For example, a researcher studying the effectiveness of a new drug might conduct a clinical trial with a large sample size, randomly assigning participants to either a treatment group receiving the drug or a control group receiving a placebo, ensuring the results are statistically significant and reliable. Section 5. Bridging the Gap Mixed Methods Research. Mixed methods research, as the name suggests, combines elements of both qualitative and quantitative approaches. This approach allows researchers to explore complex research questions from multiple perspectives. This type of research recognizes that some research questions are best answered by drawing on the strengths of both methodologies. It leverages the depth of qualitative insights and the breadth of quantitative data. By integrating different data sources and analysis techniques, researchers can gain a more comprehensive and nuanced understanding of the phenomenon under investigation. This integration helps in validating findings and providing a richer context. For example, a researcher studying the effectiveness of an educational program might collect quantitative data on student performance as well as qualitative data from interviews with teachers and students. This combination allows the researcher to gain a deeper understanding of the program's impact, uncovering not just what is happening, but also why it is happening and how it can be improved. Section 6. Choosing the right methodology for your research. With so many different research methodologies available, how do you choose the right one for your research question? This decision can be daunting, but it is crucial for the success of your study. The key is to carefully consider your research goals, the nature of your research question, and the resources available to you. Reflect on what you aim to achieve and the type of data you need to collect. If your research aims to explore a complex social issue in depth, qualitative research might be the best fit. This approach allows for a nuanced understanding of human experiences and social phenomena. If you're looking to test a hypothesis and establish generalizable findings, quantitative research might be more appropriate. This method relies on statistical analysis to draw conclusions from numerical data. And if your research requires a multifaceted approach that combines both qualitative and quantitative elements, then mixed methods research could be the way to go. This approach provides a comprehensive perspective by integrating diverse data sources. Remember, the most important factor is selecting a methodology that aligns with your research question and allows you to answer it in the most rigorous and insightful way possible. Take your time to evaluate each option and choose the one that best supports your research objectives.